the great Urmila, the unsung heroine of Ramayana. She is the daughter of King Janaka of Mithila and Queen Sunaina and younger sister of Sita. She was married to Ayodhya's king Dasharatha's third son Lakshmana. When Lakshmana went to exile along with Rama and Sita, Urmila was ready to accompany him, but he hesitated and asked her to stay back in Ayodhya to take care of his aging parents. The three went to exile after traveling for an entire day. The three finally decided to rest in a secluded area. Lakshmana told the husband wife, "Please go to sleep. I will keep watch for stray animals and any other creatures that threaten under the cover of night." Rama and Sita fall asleep, assured of their younger brother's competence. It was almost 3 in the morning when Lakshmana felt his vision getting blurry and sleep taking over. He kept fighting to stay awake until he noticed a strange light begin to glow in front of him. Suddenly, a woman appeared, and Lakshmana instantly got on his guard. "Who are you?" he asked threateningly. "Do not fear me, child. I am Nidra, the goddess of sleep," she said kindly. "Your attempts to stay awake are futile. It is human nature to need rest. But I have to protect my brother and sister in law. This is the entire reason for existence. If something were to happen to them as I slept, I would never be able to forgive myself. I have to stay awake for all 14 years. Lakshmana bargained with the goddess. "I understand your dilemma, but I cannot help your predicament unless. Unless what, mother?" Lakshmana asked fervently. "Unless you have someone else agree to sleep on your behalf," proclaimed Nidra. Lakshmana knew only one person who was capable of such a sacrifice on his behalf. He instantly said, "Please find my wife, Urmila, in Ayodhya. I know that she loves me and would do anything to make sure that I fulfill my dharma." So Nidra went to Urmila and conveyed what had transpired with Lakshmana. Urmila instantly agreed, then went into a deep slumber for 14 years. Yes, Urmila slept for 14 years. Urmila's sacrifice helped in more than one way, because it was told that Ravana's son Meghanada would only be defeated by someone who had not slept for 14 years. Lakshmana only managed to kill Meghanada for this reason. After defeating Ravana, Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana returned to Ayodhya. It was also the day of Rama's coronation as king. Suddenly, Lakshmana started laughing amidst the serious coronation ceremony, eliciting angry looks from all present. Finally, when Lakshmana would not stop laughing, Rama stopped the festivities and asked, "Are you mocking us, little brother?" "Of course not, brother," said Lakshmana in between peals of laughter. "Then what is it?" "It is just that I have waited 14 long years to see you being crowned as the king of Ayodhya. But now that you have, Nidra has come back to tell me that my pact with her is up and I must go to sleep." I find this irony hilarious. Saying this, Lakshmana suddenly fell asleep. Just as soon as Lakshmana slept, Urmila woke up to see everyone worrying over his husband's comatose body. She soon explained the story of Nidra and their deal. Then the ceremony continued with Urmila representing Lakshmana as Lakshmana slept peacefully in this bed. Thank you.